Hello everyone, Jack here. Welcome to Infinite Curiosity. Learning a new language unlocks new experiences, people, and stories. It can be daunting, but the rewards are immense. We'll share top tips to help you become fluent faster. Not just vocabulary, but strategies and mindsets. Let's dive in and make those dreams a reality. Before we dive into language learning, let's talk strategy. You need a roadmap, a plan. That's where SMART goals come in. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Instead of, I want to learn Spanish, say, I want to order food and have a basic conversation in Spanish within 3 months. That specific goal gives you a target and a way to measure progress. It's achievable and relevant, keeping you motivated. A goal without a plan is just a wish. Let's turn wishes into realities. Now, let's talk about immersion. Surround yourself with the language you're learning right here, right now. Listen to music, watch movies, and read books in your target language. The key here is to make it fun. The more you enjoy it, the more your brain will soak up the language naturally. Okay, this is where the real magic happens. Talking to native speakers. I know it can be intimidating, but it's like leveling up in a video game. Put your knowledge into action. Find a language partner or join a conversation group. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every blunder is a chance to learn. Embrace your inner language learner. Fluency is built one conversation at a time. Now, for those times when you can't jet off to a foreign country or find a language partner at 3 in the morning, we have technology. Language learning apps like Duolingo, Babbel, and Rosetta Stone are like having a personal tutor in your pocket. These apps offer interactive exercises, games, and bite-sized lessons that make learning fun and convenient. Plus, they track your progress and provide personalized feedback, so you know what to focus on. Think of them as your language learning sidekicks, always there to help you practice vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation. They are not a replacement for real-life interaction, of course, but they're a fantastic supplement to your language learning arsenal. We've covered a lot of ground today, from setting goals to embracing the power of apps. But the most important tip, the one that ties everything together, is consistency. Think of language learning like growing a plant. You wouldn't water it once a week and expect it to thrive, right? It needs regular care, attention, and nourishment to flourish. The same goes for your language skills. Make language learning a daily habit, even if it's just for 15 minutes. Review vocabulary on your commute. Listen to a podcast while you're doing the dishes, or squeeze in a quick Duolingo session before bed. Every little bit counts. And that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. Remember, consistency is key. The more you integrate language learning into your daily life, the faster you'll progress and the more you'll enjoy the journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. And most importantly, get out there and start speaking. The world is waiting to hear your voice. in all its multilingual glory. Now, go forth and conquer those language goals. Before you go, what's the most interesting word or phrase you've learned in a new language? Let us know in the comments below. Have a great night or day. Until next time.